All right, so here at Byrider Madison today, showing off this great 2011 Subaru Forester. This is a great option if you've got a family of four, a couple of kids, needing to go around, do your grocery shopping, maybe you got a soccer game to go to as well. Good news is with the Subarus, like any other, it is all-wheel drive, so if you do need to go off-road, if you do need to deal with the elements, this can definitely offer a great alternative. Has a roof rack as well, so if you need to put anything up there, if you're traveling, looking to go out, maybe do some recreation outdoors, got that option. Wonderfully equipped. Got your standard radio, steering wheel controls, and again, very nice interior as well. So yeah. Byrider in Madison, give us a call, 608-663-1213. Let's help get you on the road and fixing those credit issues. Take care.